This Century 21 Brooks Wells Enterprises property video is presented by Michael McDaniels. Two-story home located in Business District of Ironton. Featuring large rooms including dining room, laundry room and 3 bedrooms with walk-in closets. Newer windows, central heat and air downstairs and baseboard heat with thermostat upstairs. Also has a wraparound porch and 1-car carport. Call today. For more information, review the details below or contact Michael McDaniels at 740-532-5200.